Hello everyone, it's SparklingChar and welcome back to my channel and welcome to week 4 of the Crafty Christmas collab hosted by Beth, who is Bourbon Creek's Craft here on YouTube. And as I said, we're in week number 4 and we have a lot of amazing crafters and it just went so fast, guys. I can't believe we're on the last time. So if you would love to play along, make sure you use the hashtag Crafty Christmas Collab 2020. And let me get started because I don't want my video to be too long. So as you can see, I got my little Christmas stuff here. So cute. This little car here I got from Dollar General and it blinks. It is so cute, guys. Look at it. Yep. Okay, so let's get started. Let me show you what I did for week 1. Now for week 1, you guys remember I did the ugly sweater ornaments, which I will do a tutorial on. And it's really simple, guys. I'm gonna try to upload the template that I use. I just made a template and I just put it on the paper that I want to use and I traced it and I cut it. So it's real simple to make. So these were the ugly sweaters that I made. Very cute. Super cute, right? So that was week 1. Week 2, I made the bows with the tags. As you can see here, these are really cute. I made like 6 of them. Very easy to make. I did put the tutorial down that you can follow. So just go to week number 2 video. These are all the bows and the tags, the matching bows and tags. So that was week number 2. Week 3, I made the what did I do with them? The little shopping bags. Oh my goodness, guys, I don't know where I put them. Oh, here they go. These were the shopping bags that you can make with 8.5 by 11 pieces of paper. I will do a tutorial on this. I thought I had one up, but I don't. So I'm going to do a tutorial on this. And I also made the 2 shopping bags, which is made out of the 12 by 12. And I used some cord ribbon to I just didn't put my eyelets there because I was trying to hurry up and finish this for the video. So these are the 2 shopping bags, really big. This tutorial is by Mix Up Crafts, which is Sam. So her video I put down in the video for week number 3. And as you all know, this collab, I failed to mention, I'm sorry I forgot, we all had to use one paper pad, which I use wrap, sorry if you get any glare, I use Wrap with Care by Recollections, and this is all the papers that was in there. So we had to stick with one paper pad to do these projects. So let me show you what I made for week 4. And you will love it. I thought it was sort of cute. But again, I will do the tutorial for these and leave the template for the ugly sweaters, okay? Now for week 4, I made a Accordion Tag Album, which I'm going to use for decorations and to take pictures in. I'm going to put pictures in it, not take pictures. Put pictures in it, but this is from also the paper pad. I just used a few of my little embellishments to finish it up. And you flip it out and you can see all the papers. This is the same papers. This one has a pocket if you want to put like a little photo in here, which will be fine. This says snow. I got some snowflake ephemera up there. This one here you can put a picture or jot something down in. It's got some little stars and a Santa. And this say home for Christmas, can't wait. And then this is the back, say believe in the magic, and I put a 25 there with a sleigh. And then you can also put pictures on the other side. The magical Christmas, believe, Star Bright with a poinsettia. Be a beautiful picture right here. And then you can put a photo here. I should have put something up there. I'll put something. And then you're back to the front. And then it can just sit up like this on your table as decor. And your family can come over and just be sitting there talking, and then you can just look at the pictures. Really cute. I thought it came out so nice. And also, guys, I actually made something. I like the front because I was going to stick with the Christmas tree and everything. But I also made, guys, you're not going to believe these are too cute. Some doors. Look how cute that is. Let's say home for the holidays. Has the wreath. It has the mail slot. And it has the doorknob. It's like you're opening the door. And it could be a card or something like that. This is the next one I made. With that same paper. It says stay warm. Got a tree here. Another little wreath and another little ball. And you open it up. And you can like make these like, I guess, Christmas cards or something. And then here's the last one with the gingerbreads, the candy cane, and everything. And you open it, has a pearl knob right there. But like I say, I actually made it because I was going to put it on the front of the album, which I may make another accordion album. See how cute that looks on there as you're opening? Or on the back. They're really cute. See there? So yeah, so that's my project for this week, my accordion style album and my doors. I want to thank you guys so much for stopping by, taking a look at my projects each week. Thank you for following the rest of the collaborators, because they were truly amazing at what they were making. And I also want to say thank you to Beth, who is Bourbon Street Craft, for allowing me to be in this collab. I truly had fun and very much so appreciate it. And that's it for me, guys. So go to the next person or watch all the other ladies when you get a chance. And don't forget, if you want to play along, just follow the hashtag Crafty Christmas Collab. And I will see you guys in the next video. Happy Thanksgiving, and remember to always sparkle. Bye for now.